Joao Renato Orecchia Jr. Still moving 1 and still moving 2. Hello, I'm Sbongiseni Khulu, editioning printer to Orecchia's 2019 woodcut series, of which Still Moving 1 and 2 are part of. The series was produced in collaboration with master printer Jillian Ross, the David Krut Workshop in Johannesburg, and of course Orecchia himself. Although Orecchia's first collaboration with David Krut Projects was in 2007, it wasn't until 2019 that he would arrive at the point of making over a dozen editions consisting of etching, monotype, shinkole, and woodcuts, all for his solo exhibition titled Instruction. Still Moving 1 is born from Orecchia's experimental and performative musical score adaptations resulting in a single still image. It is a culmination of various layers and printmaking disciplines. The first step in creating the edition involved laser cutting the still image onto a wooden matrix and meticulously tracing the outlines onto acetate. The second was a flat base monotype of 6 colors printed separately in order to prevent the colors from muddying together, thus retaining their integrity. Orecchia decided on 2 variations of the print, hence creating the distinction between Still Moving 1 and Still Moving 2. While both variations have an added integral layer to them, Still Moving 1 takes it a step further by relief printing the entire matrix and highlighting the wood grain, whereas Still Moving 2 can be considered the bare-bone version as it highlights the vibrancy of the monotype colors without the added relief layer.